Is it just dick going in pussy? And then the answer is no, because if it was, then that would be sufficient. It's efficient. It makes the most sense. Mm-hmm. But sex is not just sticking your dick in a random hole. It's the consciousness that you're bonding with at that time.
There's an energetic exchange, though.
Not just the energetic exchange, but at least for me, and I'd assume most men, they'd prefer to like the girl. The sex would be better, right? You could fuck a girl you don't like. So why fuck a girl? Why prefer to fuck a girl you like? Because the experience of that is likely going to be a better experience, especially if it's something you're doing on a regular basis. So it's like, okay, if I know she can't stand me, and I didn't like any kind of kinky shit, or you're playing around, like genuine, if you know, I am not attracted to him at all, he's the most unattractive thing, just get it done, kind of like, why would that decrease the sexual experiences? Because there's a part of the experience that we want the person to want us to. And so if it's like, well, I'm only fucking you because you're helping me with my bills, there's something about that that's like, yeah. There's the conversation of having the option, and maybe I'm wrong about that, but it could be a byproduct of, I don't have to just settle for a hole. I can get the hole and a woman that's aching for it. So if I have the option, now if I'm a guy that I don't feel like I have a lot of options for that, and I'm like, but I still need that itch scratched, and that's how your life has been for however long, and you just kind of like, you get it when you get, you know what I mean? But if you're a dude who has a consistent reputation of getting what he wants, I don't see how you then go, but maybe that's not true. So
I think that is it, because I'm over here and it's somewhere in the realm of ego, validation, self-worth. Because even to the point of desiring, for me personally, even if there's a connection, I'm sapiosexual, demisexual. I need intelligence, I need connection before I'm even interested. I want to be desired. I want the woman to desire me. And to a context where even if I'm having sex on a regular basis with a partner, I have, for me, once it's established what my needs are, if it's a conversation beyond getting you warmed up, beyond getting you turned on, if I have to, hey baby, I'm over here needing it, I'm already turned off by that. For sure. There's something that occurs for me, and it, like I said, it can be ego and identity. I'm in my own validation conversations of, I'm either not in position, life is not circumstance, I haven't had her exhale, or I'm not turning her on in the right way. There's something for me, and I can't even play that game that I want to play for sex in the transactional, let me get a dance, or let me pay a bill, or let me just get access to. I think it occurs to me, and that's just coming from a space of abundance. When you don't have options, you don't have choice, it's simply the simplicity. I need necessity, survival. I need to get this nut. This is the simplest solution. I don't have to deal with women, attitudes, things. It can look all kinds of ways, or just as simple, I'm going to pay for it because it's an option. I can buy me a cup of water because I don't want to walk over to the fountain